So we have protons and neutrons inside the nucleus. And the electrons we know are in shells. So the electrons are in a cloud around the nucleus. Rather than just being randomly scattered in a cloud, they're actually in discrete energy levels. So we have different shells, and as I said before, the number of shells is related to the period number on the periodic table. So each shell can fit a certain number of electrons in it. And the equation that determines the number of electrons is 2n squared, where n is equal to the period. So period 1, how many electrons will period 1 hold? 2, how many will period 2 hold?
777.
8. N is 2, n squared, 2 squared is 4, times by 2 is 8. So how many will
32. 36.
period 3 hold?
18.
18. Period 4? Period 32. Okay, so period 1 is 2, period 2 holds 8, and then we got 18, and then 32. Okay, so how do we determine how many electrons an atom has?
By counting them on our fingers.
Counting on our fingers, what's an alternative way? Same amount as the protons if they have a neutral charge. So how do we work out how many protons we have? Atomic number. So the atomic number is equal to the number of electrons in the atom, in a neutral atom. So on our periodic table, if we look at, say, beryllium, how many electrons will beryllium have? 4? Do we all agree 4? Yep. So beryllium will have 4 electrons. So we fill the inner shells first. So we're going to put an electron so we've got 2 electrons in the inner shell. Can we put any more in there? No. So where do we put the next electrons? The next shell. Are we done?
No. Yes. You can, yes.
Yeah, it's beryllium.
Yep, beryllium's got 4 electrons. We're not too fussed about whether we put them on opposite sides or exactly, not overly concerned. So, how many neutrons does beryllium have?
4. 36. 2.
So how many neutrons does it have?
5.
Why do you say 5? How do we work out how many neutrons it has? Mass number minus atomic number. What's the mass number of beryllium? 9.
9?
So we're going to round it to 9. So 9 minus 4 gives us 5. So we have 5 neutrons and 4 protons. And we've got 4 electrons in our neutral atom, so this is beryllium. So, what I want you to do is to draw oxygen in the same style as what I've just drawn there.